Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the text messages group messaging to mass text or group MMS on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then tap on the text messaging app. Next we're going to tap on the option key at the top and tap on settings. In settings you want to tap on chat features. You want to go down and tap on advanced and then tap on group messaging, and here you can choose between mass text, so send an SMS reply to all recipients and get individual replies, or send an MMS reply to all recipients, which is the group MMS. So select one of the two options and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your previous screen, or tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.